In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11, and let me show you how to manage battery percentage and status bar on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, go to battery then, and here you will notice battery percentage. Just click to open, and now you can set the option, which is do not show, so it will be hidden. As you can see, now we've got just pure battery icon. You can pick inside the battery icon, so now we've got the percentage inside the battery icon, or you can pick the next to the battery icon option, so the one that was already applied. I find it most useful, most visible, but obviously pick the one that you like the most and smoothly apply it. So this is how you can manage battery percentage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.